2019 World Assembly of the Chinese People's Federation for World Peace, Dr. Hak Ja Han Moon, affectionately known as True Mother, gave the main address at the 2019 World Assembly that was held in Taiwan on November 22, 2019. We have all seen throughout history a continuous repetition of war and conflict. All of humankind longs for peace, but the path to peace always seems to be out of reach. Our focus today should be about bringing global unity centered on true parents and Heavenly Parent, rather than just unity here in the Chinese region, as you are all saying. So what has to be done? We cannot unite according to human ideas and will alone. As part of God's creation, we must know the Creator, Heavenly Parent, the owner of the universe, and go forward as one family under God. I know you must have heard the term Chanilgut. It means a peaceful nation where two people become one. The Creator created the heavens, earth, and all things in His image. After creating everything in heaven and on earth, God created the man and woman who would become the first ancestors of humankind. He gave humankind a growth period for them to fulfill their responsibilities. However, the first people were unable to align themselves with the Creator's wish and became the fallen humankind of today. This is why history has seen a constant succession of war and conflict. People today must know that above all, our Creator, the center of the universe, wished to become our Heavenly Parent. God is the Heavenly Parent of humankind. The intangible God wished to become the tangible true parent of all people through the victorious ancestors of humankind. God's principles of creation were made to be eternal. Though God may be almighty and all-knowing, He cannot break His principles of creation. Therefore, God has no choice but to embark on the long, sad course of the history of the providence of salvation to restore humankind to His embrace, resulting in the various religions that emerged throughout history. In particular, Christians call God our Creator, the Father of humankind. The Creator's dream was to become humankind's parent. However, fallen humankind could not stand in front of the Heavenly Parent. God had no choice but to wait until the victorious ancestors could emerge from among humankind. Then in 1960, the true parents emerged in the position of the ancestors of all humanity. True parents have carried out the providence of restoration and rebirth so that humankind could be reborn through them as Heavenly Parents' children. By receiving the blessing through true parents who have no connection to the fall, human beings had a way to reach perfection as blessed families. We will see a unified world centered on heaven when all 7.7 billion people of the world know the true essence of Heavenly Parent. I know that you want to unite centered on the Federation of Chinese people. However, you must know the essence. You must know who is leading us. When you understand the essence of Heavenly Parent, then all nations, large or small, will become like children before Heavenly Parent and siblings to each other. So there will be no more war or discord. Next year marks 60 years since the emergence of true parents. For 60 years, true parents have guided all humankind so that they could be in the position of true children in front of Heavenly Parent as quickly as possible. All cultures and traditions are good. However, we must make an effort to be centered on the fundamentals. Today's meeting is centered on the Chinese region, which consists of 1.7 billion people. However, the global population is 7.7 billion. I hope you understand this essence and go forward powerfully to realize the dream of one human family under God together with true parents. This video is a production of the School of the White Crane. Hi, my name is John. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and please share this video with family and friends and on social media. May God richly bless you, my beloved.